If 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cosec square 30 minus 2 tan square 30, then find the value of k. So you can write 4k is equal to tan square 60. We know that tan 60 is root 3. Tan square 60 becomes root 3 square minus 2 into cosec square 30. Cosec 30 is 2. So cosec square 30 is 2 square minus 2 tan square 30. 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 square. This is equal to root 3 square is 3. 2 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 2 into 1 by root 3 square. 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. So we get 2 by 3. This is equal to 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 2 by 3. So we got 4k is equal to minus 5 minus 2 by 3. This is equal to LCM is 3. So minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 gone, minus 2. So this is equal to minus 17 by 3. Now 4k is minus 17 by 3. Therefore, we need to find the value of k. So k equal to minus 17 by 3 by 4. Therefore, k is equal to minus 17 by 3 by 4 is equal to minus 17 by 12. That is the answer.